Hello guys, here's Graphity. In this new tutorial, I will show you how to create a long shadow text animation. So, let's get started. Here we are in After Effects. We'll create a new composition 1920 by 1080. Rename it Final Comp and press OK. Now we will create another composition with the same settings. And rename it Global Comp. Drag the global comp and lock it. OK, now pick up the text tool. Let us type hello. I'm using the font United Kingdom. It's absolutely free on Google. Hold Ctrl and double-click on the anchor point tool to center the text of the anchor point, and align also the text. Select the text and pre-compose it. Rename it Text Comp. Double-click and pre-compose again the text. Rename it Now Text. Double-click again and change the composition settings. Change the width to 4500 and the height 450. Scale the text to 250. OK, great. Let us add now an animator to our text. Drop down the options. Select Animate and choose Position. Use the position to drag down the text. Now enable the keyframes of start. Go forward to 1 second and enable the next keyframe. Just drag the value to 100. Easy ease. And drag the graph like this. OK, now, let us go on to here and add an opacity animator. Pay attention here. At this point, change the value at 25%. Look how the opacity will automatically adapt to the animation. On Advanced, we'll randomize the order of animation. Now take a look. OK, now from the last keyframe, jump 5 frames and enable the next one. Go forward and change the value to 0. Select this keyframe and go to the graph. We'll drag it like this. A little bit again. Go back to the text comp. Rescale this text to 35%. Go to 1 second. OK, on this text, we'll create a matte, just at this point. Select the rectangle tool. And draw a shape in front of the text. Rename the shape matte. You can expand the shape so that when you'll just change the text, the matte will not affect it. Switch modes and select Alpha Matte. Take a look at the text. Great. Now on this comp, we'll create our long shadow. Select the comp and add an effect called CC Radial Fast Blur. Push the amount to 100. Use the center direction to put the shadow to the top left. We'll add another effect called Matte Choker. Put all the value to 0. But for the choke one, put it to -127. Look, it creates a shadow. Add now a fill effect. We'll change the color after. And for the last effect, add a CC composite. This will bring back the logo or the initial element in front of all effects we added. It will be something like this. Add a solid background. Just copy the color code if you like. Now we will change the color of our fill. Select the solid color and we'll just darken this color to create our shadow. Take a look. I usually like to take a final look on the final comp. Great job! Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure as always. If you like this tutorial, just give me a thumbs up and support my work by sharing and subscribing to the channel. It was Graphity. See you on the next tutorial.